few troubleshooting popular issues that you may have, maybe that might solve your problem. So one thing is like, yeah, I've done everything I could do. Java is still not recognizing my command. So, and yeah, so this could be some issues that you have. The first one, so what are the causes of this? One is like, it's probably because of these reasons, right? Is unable to find your Java path. So if it's not able to find your Java path because your Java path is set incorrectly, right? So if it's set incorrectly, then the command is not going to work because you've not set your path correctly. So in this case, you might want to set it manually as well. So I will show you how to do that. So if you want to set it manually, so, and that is what. Also, it's possible, yeah, this might be your case as well. It's possible you've set it up, but you've not closed your Windows. So I would advise you to do that right now. So for those ones that still it's not working for me. So what you need to do now, click OK on this, click OK on this one. Make sure that there's no windows open, as well as all these command as well. Make sure you close them, right? So then if you've closed them, so ensure that you now go to CMD and open it from here. And then from here now, then put your Java here. Java version. Let's try to see if that will fix some of the issues that we're having. So what do you mean that I didn't receive window message? I don't get that one. Can you close all the windows, please? So if that is fine, if you can close all the windows that you have opened, and okay. I don't know what that is. So Kemi, if that's just a blank screen. Okay. Sarah, if you can do a screenshot of your environment variables and as well as a screenshot that you are having, so we can address that later. If that's fine, if I see that, then I can be able to address that. As many people that are also having issues, so if you can as well send your environment variables and let's address that. So, and okay, all right, let's continue. The next part now is going to be, yeah, we are on the troubleshooting. So this is kind of the process. So if you have that issues, the solution is basically check your environment, system environment variables, ensure that you have the right one. So ensure your path also is correct and it ends with that semicolon rather. So ensure that all your opens window are closed basically, and check your path on the environment. If it might worthwhile, you might also just restart your system. Basically, sometimes restarting your system does also work. So this will be my recommended solution. So yeah, so the same thing as this is for the other one that I have is for Java, and this one is now for Java C. So Java C, if your Java C is not recognized as internal or external command, so this is very, very important. This might be the main issue that people will be having, right? Because they've got Java already on their system. So this will be the case when more often you actually confuse Java C with Java RE, which is runtime environment, with Java JDK. Basically, Java development kit is what you are expected to install, not Java RE. Basically, so more often people confuse these two products and they install Java RE instead of the JDK. So ensure that you install the JDK, so not the RE. So, and also look at your path, as I've said before. So these are the solutions. So the same thing, after you install the right JDK, ensure that you look at all these system variables and check your path as well. So that will be that for installation of Java.